you tell me about your favorite festival?
As a Muslim, obviously my favorite festival is Eid.
Have you ever saved any person's life?
Well, I haven't, but I would love to save a person. Hello everyone, this is me, MAHI, and today I'm here to answer your questions. So you can ask me any types of questions you have for me, so go on.
I'll go first, thank you. So, how are you doing today, Mahi?
Well, I'm doing totally fine by the grace of Almighty Allah, but how about you?
Well, I'm fine and dandy, thanks for the question. So, I have a really nice question for you. So, we're in class 7 and we're classmates. So, this year has been very complicated for us as the curriculum has been changed for a lot of time. So, what's your opinion on this? The new curriculum, I mean.
Well, this curriculum has started in our, 6th grade. And from then, I didn't really like this curriculum because there was absolutely nothing to learn. Just teachers gotta come and give us a project. That was annoying. Like, we are not learning anything. We are just spending time for useless things. So I think I'm grateful now that our curriculum has changed. Now I'm a bit stressed because I have to finish so many syllabus, so many chapters in like 1 or 2 months. So I think, yeah, it's fine now.
Well, it's a bit pressure for us, but we can adjust, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for the answer.
You're welcome.
So, what is something that is really popular now and that really annoys you?
Well, that's a really good question, and I think it's a bit controversial. I don't really like K-pop groups, that kind of stuff. And now I see people like listening to those, watching. I really don't like this. Like, we're not learning anything or learning something good. So I think K-pop groups really annoys me.
Thanks for answering.
You're welcome. So who's gonna be next?
Oh, hey Mahi, how are you doing?
Well, I'm doing totally fine. How about you?
I'm perfect. So my question is, how do you practice English?
Well, I practice English in various ways, but one of them are talking to myself or talking to my little sister or my friends. My little sister, who is really passionate about English, we usually talk to each other in English. By that, I think I practice English in a really good way, and my sister also learns from that, so it's one of my favorite ways to learn English.
Oh, thanks for answering my question.
You're welcome.
Okay, Mahi, so can you tell me, are you a very organized person?
Well, I don't have a specific answer for that. Sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not. But I try to be organized. When I'm organized, I can do work or chores better. So sometimes I'm unorganized. That time I usually cannot finish my chores or work on time. So I try to be organized.
Okay, thank you for answering.
Hey Mahi, can you tell me about your favorite festival?
Well, as a Muslim, obviously my favorite festival is Eid. On Eid days, our whole all of our family members gather together, and we spend so many times. We do so many things. So I think Eid is my favorite festival for all the time.
Okay, that's amazing.
Well, I have a question, and that is, have you ever saved any person's life?
Well, I haven't, but I would love to save a person, I guess. But I don't have a specific, I don't have an experience, but someone saved my life once. Like, we're in a class and our teacher said to move to another bench. But in the time, after a few minutes, our fan above our roof had fall. If I was sitting there, I would be dead by now.
Oh yeah, that's a very spooky.
Yeah.
So hey Mahi, what is a controversial opinion you have?
Well, that's a really good question. And my controversial opinion is that you don't always have to be a doctor or engineer. A common dialogue especially in Indian subcontinent, that is, you have to be either a doctor or engineer. I think not everyone born with these traits to be a doctor or engineer. I think you can be a singer or an artist. It's better. We talk about France. France is famous for its artists. Like, in Bangladesh, we say that we have to be doctor or engineer, but I don't see anything that we should be only doctor or engineers. There's so many jobs out there. We have to explore so many fields.
Yes, you're right. So thank you for answering my question.
Okay, so that's all for today. Bye.